Hello, my beautiful people. It's your girl again, and I am back with another Glueless install for you guys. So, the name of the vendor that I'm working with today is Ishow Hair. This is the lace frontal wig. It is the Remy body wave. It is 22 inches and it is 150 density. So, let's rock and roll. So the hair came in this box. Yes, so this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. Like I said, it is the Remy body wave. This hair is really thick from start to finish, and this is the inside of the cap, and you get a lot of parting space. So the parting space is reasonable. So yes, so like I said, this is what the hair looks like, and it's really thick. As you can see, I ran my fingers through it, and I did get a little bit of resistance, but once I bleached the knots and co-washed it, everything was good. So yes, this is what the hair looks like after bleaching and co-washing. As you can see, the whole curls just kind of like dropped. That's the thing with body waves. But anywho's, that's why I love curly hair. But yeah, so what I'm doing right now, I just wanted to go in to put in a little bit of curls. Well, not a little bit of curls, a lot of curls, as you can see. So yes, I did going to just tweeze it a little bit. I wanted to do something different today, so I didn't tweeze a lot like I usually do, and I wish I did, because I just didn't like the way the hairline came out. You know, I would have tweezed them more. But anywho's, yes, so I did going to tweeze a little, just a little, and now I am just going to put curls in it. So I'm using my curling iron first, and then going in to hold it down with my flexi rod. So before you put in any heat at all on your wig, be sure to always use a heat protectant spray. Any heat protectant spray is okay, like I just did. So yes, that will protect the hair from getting heat damage, you know, whatever it is. So yes, that is what I am just doing right now. As you can see, I curled the hair with the curling iron first, and then I'm going to just use my flexi rod to hold it down. This is a good way to keep your curls intact, especially when you're not ready to wear the hair right away, because naturally, I mean, with human hair, I don't care how good of a hair that is, when you curl the hair and you just let it sit for a couple of days, the curls does drop a little bit. Some hair take curls more than the others. Some of them are not going to drop as much, but others, you know, can drop a lot. So yeah, I don't even want to take those chances, especially when I know I am making this curls ahead, like maybe a day or 2 days before I'm ready to put it on. So yes, that's it. So this is the hair after curling, as you can see. And one thing I forgot to mention is, although this is 150 density wig, but it's really full. It's fuller than the other wigs that I've had, like especially for body wave. This is really full. So it is actually Remy hair, and as you can see, it's really thick. You just look at the curls, it's bouncy, it's really pretty. This is actually a good hair. So yes, I'm just going in to style the wig now. I'm going in with my eyeshadow palette as usual, and I'm just going into, you know, make it look a little bit natural. And now I'm going in with my what's it called? West Silla. No, I'm sorry, not West Silla. Flyaway Tamer. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm going in with my Flyaway Tamer to just, you know, make it sit. And yeah, although this hair does not have lots of flyaways at all, because everything is thick from the beginning to the end, but I just wanted to have that sleek top. That's why I went in to use the Flyaway Tamer, not like I had flyaways on the wig. I just want to make that clear. Like, you see what I mean? Like, I just wanted that sleek look, and yeah, just that was what I could, you know, get my hands on at the time. So yes, so this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, it's voluminous. It is a beautiful curls pattern, and it takes the curl really well, and this is a good hair. So yes, this is it. Okay, although the hair did not come out the way I wanted it, especially the hairline, but yeah, I can't always make videos to come out the way that I want. I'll say styling, of course, so it can't be always perfect just like I like it. So, but anyways, whatever I get, I'm gonna take it, and I'm just gonna be grateful that I can. So, anywho's, yes, so that's it. I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. So like I said before, the name of the vendor that I'm working with today is Ishow Hair. This is their 360 lace frontal, and I have their Remy body wave hair. It is 22 inches and it's 150 density, guys, and this hair is thick from the beginning to the end, so I'd say top to bottom. Everything about the hair is going to be down on the info section, so be sure to click on it as usual. Thank you so much for always supporting your girl. Until my next video, ciao.